Okay, hello guys. We're going to be reviewing this newer case. Pretty nice. So we're going to be sliding the phone in and everything. Let me grab the phone over here. Slides in pretty nicely. Just like that. And then you can just close it up. Lock the latch on that. And then that's the case right here. You also got the 67mm attachment that you can put on the back here, which we will do. Let's see if we can do that in a second. Alright, so there we go. And then you can adjust it like that. It's pretty nice. From like dark as possible to like that. It's like really low. So let some light in. You also have the phone, a grip that comes with it. If you buy the $89 version, which on sale on Amazon you can get it for like 60 something, which is really nice. So then you can attach this bad boy to here. And then you can just lock it in place. Now you have it like this. You can also adjust it to where you can twist this handle. Really hard to twist too, so it's really nice. You don't have to worry about it, this thing flopping on you. Now you can hold it like this. Pretty nice. You can get another grip if you have another one, and then just have two grips like this, so you can take a little super steady shot. So overall, 5 stars.
Hey guys, just want to give you guys another review on one of the products that I purchased for my Viltrox 13mm 1.4 lens that I use with my Sony ZV-E10 because I live in Southern California, in Orange County, California, and it's sunny most of the time, and sometimes I go out in the middle of the day to vlog, and I needed something that was actually going to give me some sort of, I guess, sunglasses for my lens. And I purchased this one. This one was very inexpensive, but it works perfectly. It does have the option of changing how dark you want it, and it's so easy to install too. So this is my Viltrox lens, and you just basically twist it in there. Find the right angle to twist it in there, and once you put it in there, now at that point, I don't know if you guys could see here, kind of tells you the different ND filters, and then from there you just move it to how you want it, and figure out where it doesn't give you that vignetting, I think that's how it's pronounced. And here it just gives you kind of like which one are you at, and you just pick the right one, and that's pretty much it. So it's easy to install, easy to take off, and it comes with a case too in case you guys want to protect it. So I use this very often because, like I said, I live in Southern California, so it's very sunny most of the time, and I do vlog in the middle of the day when it's really sunny. So this definitely helps when it comes to I guess putting sunglasses on my lenses. So it works.
तो आप लोग देख सकते हो ये ऐसे डब्बे के अंदर आता है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा है ये। जैसे कि इसमें ना ये स्टॉप्स दिए हैं, अब दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 स्टॉप है, मतलब 8 स्टॉप 9 स्टॉप तक ये लाइट कट डाउन करता है। ये मार्कर देख रहे हो आप लोग, जैसे यहाँ तक, मतलब अभी ये एनडी की कोई 0 स्ट्रेंथ पे है, तो ये पॉइंट से लेके आप ये पॉइंट तक, जैसे मैं इसको घुमाता हूँ, यहाँ तक ये फुल पावर पे है, ठीक है। तो आपको इसमें कोई क्रॉस देखने नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है। अगर आप ये पॉइंट से इसको मैक्स पे जाते हो तो आपको क्रॉस आ जाएगा, अनटिल अनलेस आप ये पॉइंट तक एकदम अच्छे से। और इसमें कोई गंदा वाला कलर कास्ट नहीं आता है, मतलब पहले मेरे पास जो था उसमें बहुत गंदा कलर कास्ट आता था। तो येस, डेफिनेटली गो चेक दिस आउट प्रोडक्ट, आई रियली लाइक दिस।